Chef Lorious here. Welcome back to the Love Lab. Today in Calabama Cooking, we are making fried mozzarella sticks. This is one of everybody's favorite appetizers, and it's so easy to do at home. You'll say, why do I keep buying these? All right, guys, come on in the kitchen. Let's cook. All right, family, so first we're going to start with a nice block of mozzarella cheese. You want to buy a block because we're going to slice it up, okay? And I know I said this was easy in the intro, and I may have told a little bit of a story. It's not hard, but it does take a little effort. We're going to start by scoring these so we can go ahead and get these cut up, okay? And I'm scoring it so we can get them about the same size. There we go, ish. Okay, gonna cut down. And mozzarella cheese cuts best nice and cold, so I recommend that you do kind of like what I did today, which was I left this in the refrigerator until right before we started shooting this video, so it's nice and cold. All right, guys, so you see I've cut these into smaller pieces like this, you know, because if you have those big old hunks of cheese, you might like that, and I'm not telling you not to, do you, baby? But we find that it's just a little much, you know what I mean? So I've cut these down. Look at that, nice little sizes, perfect, yay, number one, done. All right, here we're gonna come over to get ready to start battering these up, and we're gonna use the the three station, right? Where we use flour and we use breadcrumbs, okay? So here I've got some all-purpose flour, okay? To this all-purpose flour, I'm gonna add just a little bit of salt because we wanna make sure we've got some flavor in every layer, right? And our general rule of thumb is about 1 tablespoon of seasoning or salt to every cup of flour. That's about a cup of flour or so in there. So mix that up. And then our second station is going to be our dredging the liquid station. And for that, I've got 2 eggs, okay? Let's give those a little light little breakdown. And I'm gonna add to that a little bit of buttermilk, not a ton, just a little bit. But you know, you can use buttermilk or you can use milk or cream, whatever you have is fine. I happen to like buttermilk. It's the southern in me. And this is gonna help everything stick together, okay? So we're gonna take this, pour that in there. There we go. And if it's a little too thick, I'm just gonna add some more to it. Buttermilk, there we go. Okay. And then what we're gonna do is this 3-step process. Oh, one more station, y'all. Here we've got our breadcrumbs. Now I'm using Italian flavored breadcrumbs. I'm not using panko with these. And the reason I'm not using panko is because I actually like the breadcrumb consistency better with mozzarella sticks. But if you like panko better, use panko. So here are my Italian flavored breadcrumbs, which we know don't really have no flavor in them. But if we got plain and they think this is seasoned, what would we be dealing with, right? And here's some Pecorino Romano cheese. You can use Parmesan as well, but I have an affinity for Pecorino Romano. It's a little saltier, I think, because of its sheep's milk cheese, and I just like it. So I'm gonna mix these together, and then I'm actually gonna take this Parmesan and grate some of this in there too, like so. Okay, and this is gonna give us a lovely flavor. Now, because these are cheese balls and cheese sticks and they're a little thin, what we're gonna do is double coat them, okay? Now, y'all, I'm gonna try this 2-hand method, but come on, y'all already know me and these methods don't always be working right. So y'all just say a little prayer for me. Say a little prayer. And let's just hope I don't make a total fool of myself. Y'all weren't supposed to see the towel. That's what keeps this cutting board from sliding. Let me do it on this side. I think I'm excited about the food today, y'all. Okay, here we go. Step 1, flour, right? Okay. Step 2, egg. Step 3, breadcrumbs. See that? Then back into egg. And coat it again real good. And back into breadcrumbs. Here we go. All right, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna batter them all like this. And then I'm gonna set them, oh yeah, that looks good. Set those over here until I'm ready to fry them, okay? All right, guys, here are our mozzarella sticks nice and breaded up and ready to get into this hot oil. They're ready for their bath, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to use a spider because I have a bad feeling about the popping situation. All right, look at that, boom. Now, what's very important is you want to make sure that your oil is not too hot, because what you don't want to have happen is just to burn the breadcrumbs for no reason. You know what I mean? Okay? So, and also, as always, don't overcrowd your pot. I'm just kind of feeling it as I go. And moving them around so nothing sticks. They shouldn't anyway though, because of the breadcrumbs on them, but you know, just in case. I'll drop one more in. Okay. Let these cook up. Make sure you kind of keep them moving a little bit so they get evenly coated in the oil and everything. Now I'm effectively deep frying these because I've got a lot of oil in this pot. I could use a big deep fryer or one of my big stock pots, but I kind of didn't feel like that much drama. You understand what I'm saying? But this was just right. All right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I can see them in there looking good. And with fried foods, when they start to float, it means they're done, right? So we don't have to wait forever. We just want to make sure that this is nice. Look at this. I'm gonna show y'all something. Hold on. You see that? They're all in here like, we don't want to leave. Look at this, and a little bit of cheese is starting to pop out. There you go, look at that. That is a mozzarella stick, baby. Let these others fry up. Floating, which means they're technically done, because remember the cheese was already ready. We just were coating it in a bunch of more carbs to fry it, right? And as a bonus, you can actually get them to this state, get them nice and firmly cold, freeze them, and you can take them out and fry them later. I'm serious. I wouldn't make it up. See how you got a little cheese popping out right there? That's how you know this baby's right. Once we get them all out. All right. I'm not gonna make you watch me fry all of these, but you've seen how they do what they do. So I'll be back when I've got them finished. Well, family, look. These are our mozzarella sticks. Look how beautiful and golden brown they are. I cannot wait to dig in. I ended up cooking all of them, and I actually had too much space. I didn't have enough space for them all. But let me show you something. You see this? Ready? Look at that. You see that? That's what's supposed to happen. Oh, oh my God. Amazing. We got some marinara sauce. Y'all know I don't fool with red sauce. Me and red sauce don't get along. But I can eat these just like this. Oh my God. So good. And I love the buttermilk coating, right? Gives that little southern flair. All right, family, thank you for joining me. I will see you next time right back here in the kitchen for more Alabama cooking with your girl, Chef Lorious. I gotta go get my daughter, Maddie. She loves mozzarella sticks, and I have a feeling I'm about to get a mom award. See you guys next time. Happy cooking.